Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and you are watching my video. Guys, you are watching my channel AK Decor and Lifestyle. So guys, I hope you are all fine and best condition for health. So guys, first of all, I am sharing for you modular kitchen cabinet ideas for you. It is a top trending and outstanding fashion for 224. First of all, I am requesting for you, please guys, like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Then I start video. Guys, in this video you can see different style and different look and different unique color of combination for kitchen cabinets ideas, unique look and unique style. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this amazing idea. Different two lights and dark colors combination, it's look like amazing, a good vibe. Some different unique ideas for you guys. It is a very authentic and very unique style. It is a latest style ideas for 224. It's a unique modular kitchen cabinets ideas and different dark and light colors. White colors look a good vibe show. It is amazing and look like a very beautiful unique style and unique look. It is a very attractive, it's look like a yummy. So guys, another home decor idea, you can visit my channel. Amazing unique stylish ideas, home decor idea, TV wall cabinets idea, you can visit my channel. So guys, once again I am requesting for you, please guys, like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Guys, it's a kitchen cabinets ideas for you. It is an amazing look and amazing vibes, unique style and unique look. Guys, white and dark purple colors look like a good vibes. It is a it, it's the wooden color is a light. It's amazing vibe, unique style and unique look. Kitchen is a very important place for your home. So guys, I suggest for you, you choose a different and stylish kitchen ideas. So guys, you choose a almost light color because light colors look like a good vibe. It's look like amazing and very beautiful, unique style and unique look. Because light color should amazing and unique style. So guys, I hope you like and enjoy this amazing video. So at the end I am requesting for you, please guys, like my video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more latest update. Thank you so much guys, you watch my video. And guys, different unique stylish amazing idea, you can visit my channel. I am sharing for you different bedsheet design ideas and different and TV cabinets ideas, different kitchen design ideas, different all home decor ideas. You can visit my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video.